Hello everyone, welcome to my research presentation. Today I will present the result of my bibliometric analysis on the use of artificial intelligence in e-commerce sales forecasting. In this study, I explore key patterns, evolving trends, and knowledge framework in studies concerning artificial intelligence application for sales prediction in e-commerce. The digital era has brought significant change in customer behavior patterns, especially after the COVID-19 pandemic. Consumers, particularly Generation Z, as digital natives, have become increasingly adaptive to technology and prefer shopping online through e-commerce platforms. Based on Statista data from 2023, Indonesia led e-commerce sales in Southeast Asia with $30.10 billion in 2020, and I found that this projected to increase to $68.12 billion in 2025. In this highly competitive e-commerce business environment, sales forecasting has become an important component in managing supply chain operation. With the rapid growth of e-commerce users, business people need sales forecasting methods that continue to improve and provide accurate results. Factors such as change in customer behavior, rapid change in market demand, and increasing complexity of supply chain management mean that conventional forecasting method can no longer provide accurate results. This is where artificial intelligence comes a solution. Through my research, I found that AI utilities sophisticated machine learning algorithm, natural language processing techniques, and deep learning models to analyze large amount of data that might be using conventional forecasting method. My research aimed to examine and determine key patterns, evolving trends, and knowledge framework present in studies concerning artificial intelligence application for sales prediction in e-commerce. I use bibliometric methodology to analyze bibliographic data related to this topic, with the intention of filling gaps in previous studies. I conducted this study using bibliometric analysis method. I obtained data through Scopus using combination of keywords including artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and related terms combined with forecast, sales forecasting, and e-commerce. The publication time span I analyzed was from 2013 until 2025, and I obtained 1,088 journal publication documents. I performed the analysis using R software and RStudio application with BiblioShiny package for more interactive data visualization. The result for summary statistic based on the data I obtained from 2013 until 2025, my study analyzed 1,088 documents from 608 sources including journals, books, and other publications. Over 12 years, I observed growth in the number of publication data of 9.78% per year, showing significant growth in this research area. The analysis research document demonstrated a mean publication age of 3.73 years. Each publication was cited an average of 13.17 times by other researchers. I found 2,725 authors researching this topic, with an average of 3.22 people per document and 15.62% of document involve international co-authorship collaboration. My analysis for annual scientific production shows interesting trends. Starting from 16 published articles in 2013, there were fluctuations until 2018. However, I observed significant increases beginning in 2019 with 82 articles, continuing to increase until reaching its peak in 2024 with 214 published articles. The peak period of increasing article publication occurred in 2019 until 2024, and I believe this will continue to increase until the end of 2025, considering that I conduct data collection from this research in May 2025. My work cloud analysis reveals that the keyword of forecasting and electronic e-commerce are most frequently used word in research about how artificial intelligence can contribute to sales forecasting. Other prominent keywords I identified include is sales e-commerce, deep learning system, and machine learning. This data shows me that the use of AI branches such as deep learning and machine learning are strongly related to sales forecasting in e-commerce application. My research finding provides several important practical implications. First, I demonstrate the developing trends in AI research for e-commerce sales forecasting. Second, I identify country leading in this research, which can serve as reference for international collaboration. Third, I reveal trending keyword and research theme that can help future researchers determine their research focus. Finally, I show the evolution of AI technique can be applied in sales forecasting, providing valuable insight for both academy and practitioners. Based on my bibliometric analysis, I conclude that the use of bibliometric method is very useful to help other researchers find scientific literature for further research, especially on the topic of using artificial intelligence in sales forecasting on e-commerce platform. My research successfully identified publication growth pattern, countries dominating research, relevant keyword, and researchers collaboration network. I found that China and India show dominance in this research, while keywords such as deep learning, machine learning, and forecasting become the main focus. Based on my research finding, I recommend several directions for future research. First, I suggest the further exploration of the latest AI techniques in sales forecasting. Second, I recommend developing hybrid models that combine various AI techniques. Third, I propose focusing on practical application in specific e-commerce industry. Fourth, I encourage increasing international collaboration, especially with countries leading in this research. Finally, I suggest developing evaluation frameworks to measure the accuracy and effectiveness of various AI techniques in sales forecasting. This concludes my bibliography research presentation on the use of artificial intelligence in e-commerce sales forecasting. I hope this research can provide new understanding regarding the use of AI in e-commerce sales forecasting for academic and practitioners who will determine sales forecasting in their future businesses. Thank you for your attention.